Filipino is resilient.
Since time immemorial,
We are tested by countless calamities,
volcanic eruptions, devastating earthquakes,
and the heart flows.
Super typhoon!
Victoriously, we surmounted these ordeals and pains beyond the imagination of the human race.
Instant death of our loved ones.
Claimed by transportation, mishaps, and natural disasters.
Thousands also died in hunger and malnutrition,
Including ambushes and endless wars in Mindanao. They trampled
our basic human rights.
such as the right
To live.
for us. We
are continuously scourged
for the test of time.
The spirit to survive and to bounce back remains undefeated.
I am as lion as a bamboo.
For I am a man of earth.
My hair may all be blown by the winds, and my legs may be crippled by the smash of waves.
I will stand and pick up the shattered pieces of myself.
And continue to live.
So you to survive,
Flow with inspiration to live.
not only for my family,
But also for my beloved country.
mga walang hiya kayo! Pinatay niyo ang asawa ko! Tay! Bakit kahit walang kasayawan? Lumayan na siya pa ako. Ibalik niyo ang tatay. Walang hiya kayo!
Filipinos unite in the midst of crisis.
Regardless of socioeconomic status, tradition, and creed.
The world has seen the magnanimous spirit of the Filipinos in crucial times.
The gap between the rich and the poor just now
Envy,
was replaced by sympathy,
hatred,
was conquered by love,
selfishness,
was set aside.
and saving one's life is the ultimate desire.
History tells us that the Filipinos have captured innumerable foes.
Natural and not. We shall always strive to champion in all us. Innate Filipino is the will to survive. We may be daunted by the horrible sea around us.
But certainly, we are strengthened by our unwavering faith in God.
Bakit ganito? Bakit kami na nagtatanim, umaani, nagpapakapagod? Bakit kami ang walang makain? Bakit silang nasa taas? Silang namumuno? Sila ay may hamon sa pagkinig kahit na walang Pasko. Bakit kami na kailangan po magpakahirap para lang mapakain ang aming pamilya? Despite of all odds, the resiliency of a Filipino has never been broken. And I believe that Filipino are divided by several cultures and doctrines, are capable to be on top of any situation if united.
Together, we can face any challenge ahead of us. We may stumble and fall,
But we will bounce back, armed stronger, with vision and faith.
that after darkness, after pains and sufferings, the Filipino survives.
The Filipino is resilient. Listo! Frente! Fuego!
Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
The Resiliency of a Filipino by William G. Baali.